This is the YOKEKON Ultrasonic Humidifier. This is a 16-liter humidifier. In this video we will unbox it, test it and see if it's any good. So here we have a user manual and a remote control, a cleaning sponge, and the device itself. Let's see how to get it out. This is the power cord and this is the cover and the mist outlet. First I thought this piece is broken, but later I found out that it's just detached during transportation. Maybe it was easy to fix. This part is the main body. We have the filter attached to the water pump, and on the other side we have the main active parts, which are these two diaphragms, the ionizer, and we have the water pump here and the UV light on the other side. This is a big spray tube. If you want the mist to go higher, you attach this spray tube, which is hard plastic. And this is the 16-liter tank. Okay, so now I filled it halfway with water, and we will turn it on for the first time. The good thing about it is you don't need to open it and to fill it. You just pour water here through these vents and it will fill the tank. And make sure not to put any water through the outlet. Okay, let's get the remote ready. Battery included. Just pull this and let's turn it on. It beeped. Okay, let's press the power button. Nothing so far. Let's wait for it. The LED is blinking. Let's see, maybe I need to read the manual first. We have minimum and maximum. Okay, I can see the mist coming out. Hard to see it with the camera. Okay, I put this piece of wood in the back so it will be darker background so you can see the mist. You can see the mist. Let's change some of the settings. So this is the humidity. It's touch, as you can see. Humidity 40%, 65, 50, 55, 60, 65. Minimum, maximum, turbo. Okay, so this is the power button, on, off. This is the maximum, minimum for humidity. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and turbo. So the number doesn't, this doesn't affect the number, which is here the temperature, and this is the RH, relative humidity, I think. Anyways, this is the timer. We have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3, 4, 5, up to 11 hour, 12 hours. So you can keep the timer for 12 hours and it will shut off. This is the sleep mode. Not sure about this. You can set the timers. This is the UV light. There is a UV light inside, we'll show you later, to kill any germs or bacteria in the water. This is the humidity. That one is just the speed of the fan, I think. This is the humidity. You can set the humidity up to 60, 70, 75, 80, up to 90%. Yeah, so this is it. It's very simple. Let's have it on max turbo and set the humidity to 90. Is it 95 or 90? 90. Alright, so let's see. The mist is very strong. With this you can direct the mist left and right, front and back. It's cold mist. It will be great during the summer. Of course, when you use it, it's better not to have it directed on the wall, otherwise you will get mold on the wall. So it's better to have it directed away, or if it's in the middle of the room, make it up. But here I'm just using this to show you. Now you can have it working like this, which looks nice, or you can use the spray tube if you want it to spray higher. You just remove this piece. You remove this piece and put it here and install this here. Very simple. Now you have it mist. You have the mist coming from above. You can hear the sound of the pump, which is not too loud, but there is a noise. There is some noise. I think it's okay. If we look on the back, we have a tray here that pops out if you press it. This is for the essential oils. You add a napkin with your oils of choice and you put it back. And this is the main power cord, and this is the humidity sensor. As you can see, these two diaphragms, the ionizer, whatever they call them. This is the pump, and here is the ultraviolet light. Let's turn it on. I don't know if you can see the light when you turn it on and off. And that's it. That's how it's work. Very simple operation, but very effective. When you switch it off, the fan keep running to remove any excess steam. When everything is clear, it will shut off. I thought there would be a filter or something, and there is a place here, it looks like designed for a filter, but I didn't get any filter, so I don't know if it's missing or if there is no filter at all. So this goes to the outlet. And yeah, when you pour water, it goes here through this, and the steam comes out from this section. Okay, now let's take it apart and see the circuitry. I can see 4 screws, Phillips screws on the back. Let's just undo them and see the circuit board. I'm not expecting to see much, because these I hope there is no seal that will be disturbed. Okay, and we are in. This is the water pump, the 2 big ionizers with the driver board and the power supply. Let's go closer. Okay, so this is here is the blower fan. No screws, but it's not going anywhere. And these are the ionizer, as I said. We have hot glue everywhere, and this is the display board for the LCD and the touch panel, and this is the power supply. What kind of caps do we have? I can't read the name. Onyx or something. What's under this shield? This is the ultraviolet LED for the UV light, and this which I thought is the pump. It's not the pump, it looks like it's a sensor or something. And the pump is here. Yeah, it's connected, not far from the sensor. This is the motor, the water pump, and that's it. Not much going on here. The build quality looks good. Doesn't look cheap. And this is the humidity sensor at the back. And that's the end of the video. This is the user manual if you want to have a read. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Look and Teardown. And if you'd like to buy this humidifier, link to the YOKEKON store, it's in the description. Thank you for watching.